Making this one simple mindset shift from business owner to content creator mindset will allow you to reach more people, build real trust with your future dream clients, and grow your business faster than ever. Welcome back to the podcast with me, Malika, content creator, entrepreneur, and your girl to personal branding and manifestation. So you are now getting 2 episodes per week for the month of December. So this is your Friday Quickie, and you always get your Tuesday episode. And we're gonna go straight into it. So go grab your little drink. I have my strawberry matcha right here, and let's get into it. I'm gonna start off by saying this, okay? You can be posting content, but still only be thinking as an entrepreneur mindset or as a business mindset and not as a content creator. Because I feel like when you are thinking as a content creator and merging it with your business aspect, it becomes so much more powerful. And when you're solely in the business mindset, when you are creating your content or when you are promoting your business, what ends up happening is that it also makes you miss out on aligned organic traffic. So, more people that could be really aligned to work with you, to buy from you, that is all organically attracted to you. You miss out on building a really loyal clientele, people that will recurringly come back to you because they have such a strong trust in your business, in your service, in you. Also makes it that you don't really have a real sense of community. This is something that I see a lot with business owners, is that you can tell that it's there's a business and there's clients, but there's not a sense of community. And this makes you miss out so much on, again, the loyal clientele aspect that will always come back and want more. You're not even trying to sell, but it's just selling out because you have already this real foundation of trust. You already have this strong personal brand, and people are going to you because they are sold with your personal brand. And when you are creating content and really getting into this mindset of content creator, it's more than just posting about what you do or showing people what you do or telling people what you do or trying to sell, right? It's about creating an experience. It's about creating real relationship. It's about building an authority while still showcasing who you are, why people should pick you, what makes you different, basically. Because of course, when you are thinking in a business mindset, you're like, okay, how can I make more sell? How can this post make sell? Oh, okay, there's this trend. Let me hop on this trend. Hopefully it's gonna make me some more sell and attract some more people because that's what this business or this entrepreneur is doing. So I'm gonna do like them because we have kind of the same audience, right? So it's this mindset of there is no mindset of the content creation integrated in that. And that's exactly what we want, because both together are so freaking powerful. This is the most powerful duo that you can have, when you can have both merged together and not just one or the other. Because I also see this when people are solely thinking as a content creator, and then they almost become just this influencer, and then they wonder why they are not getting any sale, or why they're stuck always doing the same amount every single month. And it's because of that. And so when you combine both together, you create something so freaking powerful. So let me talk a little bit about the content creator mindset, right? When you are in the content creation mindset, you are showing up a lot more authentically as you. You don't want to feel like you need to always be dressing up with, let's say you are a coach. You don't always need to be wearing a suit. You don't always need to look a certain way or do the very typical image that we have in our head. Let's say you're in the wellness space or you're in whatever, it doesn't need to be that stereotypical way. You can just show up authentically as you, and this is exactly what will make you attract dream clients. This will also really allow you to sell a lot more authentically because you won't have to sell so fucking hard anymore. You won't have to convince so hard anymore because you are simply showcasing your values. You're showcasing what you stand for. You are building your authority. You are building a real relationship with the people online, and this will make it so that this literally attract your dream client that is ready to work with you, that wants you out of everybody else because they see something in you that they don't see in anybody else. And this is not about necessarily, oh, who has the better product or who has the better thing or whatever. It's more about what aligns the most with them. And this is what will make you attract a dream client and make it so much easier for you to sell and increase your monthly income instead of always being stuck. And by building your personal brand, and when I say personal brand, most people think, oh, now I have to say everything about my life. Now I have to show what I do in my day-to-day. I have to do this, I have to do that. Like, it's not that. That's not what building a personal brand means. Building a personal brand is simply like showing up authentically online as yourself while also bringing in experience, bringing in connection, showcasing what is unique about you, about what you offer, about how you can uniquely meet their desired outcome. And when you start creating an experience more than simply just showcasing what you do, you start to be remembered, okay? And this is exactly what makes you stand out, what makes people drawn to you, and what makes people buy from you, because what we are doing is we are basically selling ourselves. They are sold because it is your personal brand that you are showcasing, that you are building. That's what makes them sold, okay? And this is the same thing when, let's say, you want to have this brand of shoes and let's say you could have the same shoes without the logo. What is the difference? The branding, marketing that's like the title of it, right? It's like, it's the same shoes, but without the logo, it doesn't feel the same because of the experience that it brings, because of what it means, because of the impacts that it has, right? And so you want the thing with the logo. And so this is kind of like a similar effect, but more in a personal way, if that makes sense. And so you want to be bringing value and connection. So instead of making it all about your business, like, oh, this is what I do, this is what you can get with me, this is my service, this is like my studio, this is the studio place, like, oh, whatever. Okay, start thinking, how can I make this valuable for my dream client? And this is really what will help you decide what is the kind of thing that you need to be posting. And also, how can I make them connect deeper with me and my business and what I do beyond just like the surface level, right? Like, how can I really bring out those emotion out of them? How can I really connect with them? How can I really bring them along this experience with me so that they can feel connected with my business, with what I'm building, with the impact that I'm bringing to the table? And this is the element that I see missing most of the time, right? Because you need to get deeper with people. You need to bring out those emotion out of them and really make them feel the experience, make them feel the emotion attached to their desired outcome. Stop trying to present and start trying to connect. And I have to say that storytelling is such a huge part of building a personal brand because it is attached to who you are as a person. So when you are really good at storytelling, at creating content that aligns with your personal brand, what you want to be known for, what you want people to come to you for, while still being able to make it still a bit more personal, include yourself in there, and build relationship with the people online because they are real people, okay? I feel like a lot of people like forget this, but like it's real people that are online, okay? It is so powerful and your brand becomes so much more powerful, and the impact that it brings your business is literally incomparable to anything else you've ever done before. And so keep it engaging while you're still building your authority and that trust. And so again, like I said, when you're merging both of these mindsets together, right? So as a content creator, you're really building your personal brand. You are showing up authentically as you. You are building real connection and what can be really beneficial to your audience. And as a business owner, you're like, okay, let's get sales. Let me make an impact. Let me attract my dream clients, right? So when you mix both of those together, this is when you can really think, okay, the content I'm creating, how am I taking these people that are viewing into loyal customer that will buy from me, right? And this is the beauty of mixing both of those mindset together. This is exactly the process that I believe in, that I do with my clients because of how powerful and impactful it is. And it has never, ever, ever failed. So definitely something for you to think about. I definitely have more things to say on this topic. So I'm definitely going to make a bigger episode. Probably for the Tuesday episode, I'm going to make an episode on this. And so if you would like that, definitely let me know down below in the comments. And now if you're not already joined into the free Facebook group community that we have, definitely hop in. I will link it down below in the caption for you or in the description, and I'll see you this Tuesday. And don't forget that you are getting 2 episodes per week, one on Tuesday and one on Friday. So don't forget to tune in. Okay, stay amazing. Thanks so much for tuning in, and don't forget to leave your 5-star rate and review on the podcast. I love to know what you guys think of the episodes, and I will meet you here next week.